Welcome to the operation guide for the 10B+7L digital watch. This video will help you understand how to navigate and configure your device effectively. The watch uses a simple control system: the L button for light, the C button to cycle through modes, and the A button to advance or perform actions. Hold the A button for 2 seconds to fast advance digits. Your timekeeping display shows the day, date, current time, and a PM indicator. Press the A button to toggle between 12-hour and 24-hour formats. The watch features a 4-mode master cycle. Use the C button to navigate through timekeeping, alarm, stopwatch, and time/calendar settings. You will always return to the home screen. To enter settings, press the C button 3 times from the home screen. The seconds will flash, indicating you are in setting mode. The watch will automatically return to normal if no buttons are pressed. Follow this sequence to update settings. Leap through steps with the L button, and adjust numbers with the A button. Press C when you are finished. Ensure time accuracy by syncing monthly with a time signal. To set your daily alarm, use the L button to enter hour and minute settings, and the A button to advance them. You can test the alarm by holding the A button. Manage your alerts through the audio control matrix. Press the A button to cycle through enabling or disabling the alarm and the hourly signal icons. For standard stopwatch usage, press the A button to start, stop, and restart timing. Press the L button to reset the display. For split times, use the L button to freeze the display to read a lap time, while the main clock continues running in the background. Press L again to release the split. The stopwatch also captures first and second place times. Use the A button to start and stop, and the L button to record the first split and then reveal the second place time. Key specifications include reliable monthly accuracy, an automatic calendar for leap years, 1/100th of a second precision, and a battery life of up to 7 years. Don't worry about damaging the unit through button operation. If you get lost in the menus, simply press the C button to return home and start over. You are now fully equipped to command your time. Thank you for watching this guide on the Casio 10B+7L.